The solar system. The solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets and their satellites, asteroids, meteors, and comets. The Sun constitutes 99.85% of the mass of our solar system. Rotation time of the Sun is 25 days. Revolution time of the Sun is 250 million years. Surface temperature is 6000 degrees centigrade. Core temperature is 15 to 20 million degrees Celsius centigrade. Composition: hydrogen 21%, helium 27%. Age 5 billion years. Solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of energized charged particles, primarily electrons and protons, flowing outward from the Sun, covering the whole solar system at a speed as high as 400 km per second and have a temperature of 1 million degrees Celsius. Solar flare. A solar flare is a sudden, rapid and intense increase in the brightness of the Sun. It occurs when the energy that builds up in the solar atmosphere is suddenly released. Planets. Under the impact of the Sun's gravitational force, all the planets revolve around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. All planets except Venus and Uranus rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. Planets can be classified into two categories. First, terrestrial or Earth-like planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called terrestrial planets as they are composed primarily of silicate rocks or metals. They are the inner planets. These planets are dense and smaller in size. The largest terrestrial planet is Earth. Jovian planets or Jupiter-like planets. These are outer planets which are gaseous and giant with large satellite families. They have high rotational velocities. The largest Jovian planet is Jupiter. Facts about planets. First, Mercury. It has no satellite. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. It has the fastest orbital motion and thus the shortest period of revolution. Its fast speed protects it from being drawn towards the Sun. It has no atmosphere, thus it is characterized by maximum diurnal range of temperature. Venus. It has no satellite. Venus is closest to the Earth and is called Earth's twin because of similar size, density and mass. It is popularly called the evening star or morning star as it is visible in the evening and morning from the Earth. Venus is covered by a thick cloud cover and its atmosphere consists primarily of carbon dioxide, nearly 90 to 95%, making Venus the hottest planet. It has the slowest rotational velocity. Earth. It is known as a blue planet due to the presence of water. It is the densest planet. Our planet occupies what scientists call the Goldilocks zone. Its adequate distance from the Sun means it is neither too hot nor too cold and hence supports liquid water, which is a key ingredient for life. Astronomers are searching for rocky planets like ours in the Goldilocks zones of other stars. Both Venus and Mars are considered to be within the solar system's habitable zone. Mars. It is known as the red planet due to the presence of argon and nitrogen. The new satellites of Mars are Phobos and Deimos. The angle of inclination and period of rotation of Mars are almost similar to that of the Earth. Hence, Mars has seasons similar to the seasons on Earth. The evidence of water has been found on Mars, and there are chances that the planet in the future may be able to sustain life. Fifth, Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system, nearly 1,400 times in volume compared to Earth. Its atmosphere consists largely of hydrogen and helium, which account for low density. Jupiter has the fastest rotational velocity. This means that the length of a day on Jupiter is the shortest among all planets in the solar system. Since Jupiter is a gaseous planet, it does not rotate as a solid sphere. Jupiter has no solid surface, thus there is no record of geological history of Jupiter. There are 67 satellites of Jupiter. Ganymede, one of the satellites, is the largest moon in the solar system. It is even larger than Mercury. Sixth, Saturn. It is the second largest planet. It is famous as the ringed planet, and it possesses 7 rings around it, identified by letters A to G. Saturn has 62 satellites. Titan is the largest among all its satellites. It is the only satellite in the solar system that has atmosphere of its own. Saturn has least density among all the planets. Seventh, Uranus. It is known as the green planet due to the presence of methane. The rotational motion has the appearance of rolling, unlike other planets which spin on their axis. The rolling effect is due to the perpendicular inclination. 97.92% of the planet around its axis. It has 27 satellites. Neptune's atmosphere contains a dark spot similar to the size of the Earth. This dark spot is known as the Great Spot. It is considered a twin of Uranus because of similar size, density, and appearance of pale green color on account of methane. The case of Pluto. Pluto was known as the smallest planet in the solar system and the ninth planet from the Sun. In 2006, it was relegated to the status of a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union (IAU). This was done because of the discovery of large objects such as Sedna and Eris in the Kuiper belt. Eris particular appeared to be larger than Pluto, giving rise to its informal designation as the solar system's 10th planet.